Hello, my name is Eunice Montenegro, and today I'll be talking about the Zero Moment for my HCI 552 course at DePaul. On today's agenda, I have 4 points. The first one would be about what is the zero moment, where we'll learn about the new mental model. The second, we'll talk about why it's important and what influences it has on users and the business. And the third one will be how it can increase sales. We'll be talking about the outcome and ways it can positively affect sales. And fourth, we'll have a conclusion with ending thoughts. So now let's talk about what is a zero moment, also known as the zero moment of truth, abbreviated ZMOT. So it's the moment when people grab their devices, such as a laptop, mobile phone, or a tablet, and start to learn about a product or service they are thinking about trying or buying. This can also extend further than a device and be the conversations that individuals have with friends or family when they talk about products or services. And from a digital setting, it can be seen in reading reviews, ratings on products. Also, when users go ahead and search and see those search results, looking at ads or looking at the news and seeing different headlines. The zero moment of truth falls into what was the traditional three-step marketing model. The traditional model included stimulus, first moment of truth, and the second moment of truth. So now looking at the new zero moment, it falls right in between stimulus and the first moment of truth, as this is the research that individuals do prior to that first moment when they go ahead and see that item and add it to their carts. So now to talk about why it's important. So it's important because it has the power to help users make a great decision. And it equally has the power to help companies tell their stories at the moment of the highest impact, which is when those users are making those decisions and that first interaction they have with new products. The zero moment of truth is also applicable across all industries. We see shoppers making decisions before they enter the store, right? And by having this, it does change that marketing mental model we saw in the beginning, and companies can gain a competitive advantage. So most people experience zero moments of truth. We see that 83% of moms say they do online research after seeing TV commercials for products that interest them. Also, a high number is that of 79% of customers whom say that they use smartphones to help with shopping. And 70% of Americans say that they took a product review before making a purchase. So, right here, we see that a high percentage of individuals do research, be it through TV commercials, using their smartphone devices, and looking at those reviews before making any purchase. To go with that, so Google asks shopper scientists to do a comprehensive study of 5,000 shoppers across 12 categories, which included groceries all the way to cars to financial products. And of that study, 84% of shoppers confirmed that the zero moment of truth shapes their decision when purchasing a product. So now let's talk about how the zero moment can help increase sales. So traditionally, sales funnel was a linear trajectory, but now we see sales acting like a neuron with impulse going from all directions. We see this because shoppers can move forward and backward through the process until they're ready to make a decision. Many times people look at different sources, different reviews, talk to friends, look at TV commercials, look at different ads to gain a full, well-rounded opinion before making those big decisions of purchasing products or services. Additionally, it will increase sales by reaching customers sooner and more often. having customers find products and services at the moment they're thinking about buying, also when they're thinking of buying. So 2 steps before actually buying that product. We see that 62% of shoppers say they search for deals online before at least half of their shopping trips. So to conclude, there's three main things that we see with this new addition to the traditional three-step marketing model, and that is that users are seeking and sharing new ideas through online platforms as well as digital devices. We also see users who are armed for battle in the sense that they have more resources, have more research behind them and information to help them make big decisions. And the third one is that we see users making smart choices faster. So they're able to get to that first moment of truth with already a clear idea of what they're going to go ahead and purchase. That is all. Thank you.